everybody. Welcome to Springdale Public Library. My name is Caitlyn, and we are going to be working on building our Lego Goalpost paper football game. But the first thing we're going to do is going to make a football. So everybody, when you got at home, you might be able to look this up, or you can follow with me. We've got a paper that describes how to do this. If you were able to pick up the packet from the library, this is in your packet, so you can follow along. But here we go. It's really easy. I don't think you're gonna have any trouble. So the first thing you're gonna do, and I used these when I was a kid, by the way, is you're gonna fold your paper in half. And then you're gonna fold it in half again. So far so good, not too hard. Then you're gonna bend down each corner like this. And it's just gonna go kind of back and forth. So now you'll take the top corner and you'll fold it down. And then you'll take the side corner and you'll fold it down. And it's good to kind of press on it to keep your lines tight. That'll give you a better football in the end. Okay, so let's keep on going. You're kind of seeing the pattern here. Let's do it again. Here we go. How's it going? I hope it's going well. Mine's looking pretty good. A little crooked, but not too bad. Okay, keep going. You should be getting close to the end here. So the end is a little bit different. So once you get to a shape that looks like this, you're gonna have to fold in, and it shows it on your paper here. And it looks like I need to know too. You fold in the top corner down like this. And this part isn't that important. This is just so you can tuck it in. So you're gonna be tucking it in to the edging right here. And this is the tricky part. You're gonna tuck it in so that it's gonna look just like a triangle. So once you get it all tucked in, it's gonna look like that. And that's what you're gonna use to flick into our goalposts that we're gonna make. So now that you have your football, you can set that off to the side. And so the next thing we're gonna do is, you have this at home too, it's just a photograph of the goalpost. So I don't want you to get stressed out about making this goalpost, because you can do it in multiple different ways, okay? So I'm gonna take a seat. What I want you to do is, if you have any pieces that are together from your kit, you can take it apart. You can also, if you don't have a kit and you have Legos at your house, just go find your Legos and you can find the right pieces in order to make this, even if you weren't able to get the kit from the library. All right, so you gotta break them up. You're gonna have the tiny ones, you're gonna have squares, you're gonna have rectangles, you're gonna have all different colors, but it doesn't matter because it can fit together in multiple ways. I've even got a couple of these skinny ones. So once you've got it all taken apart, we'll get started. So just kind of find the middle of your little platform. I made my base. If you've got these little ones, go ahead and use these first. So I made my base with these. So you put those down. And the best way to make it as secure as possible is to alternate. So if you have your base going this way one time, then you want to turn it that way. So you're gonna make little squares and you're gonna do it 6 times. So just back and forth. And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Okay. And I have 6. Okay, now it's a little trickier here. You're gonna get the ones that have 4 across. So I've got 2. I was able to make a 4 across when I use these 2 skinny ones, and then I've got 1 solid. So these kind of make the top T. You got a T there. Then you're gonna have one of these long big ones. You can put that on here like this, which gives you a little bit of stability. And then you've got some of the ones that have 3 across. You'll put that on here. And so you've got this extra spot down here where you're gonna put a square. So you can stick your little square there. Or if you don't have any squares left, you can always use 2 little ones like this. So let's get another 3, stick it on this side. You kind of see it's evening out. I'll put 2 little ones over here. There. So this is a pretty good base. Now all we need are the posts that go up. Okay, so if you want to stack all 3, you can. And actually, I think it's 6. 5. You can put them together first and then stick it on if you want to. Like that. Or you can put them on like this. You can alternate if you've got the tiny ones. Put those on. Doo-doo. There. Hey, this is looking good. I kind of like the colorful goalpost over this yellow one. I'm just saying. Okay. And we'll do the little ones. Ah. Rogue Lego. Okay. And we're almost done. And you can always, you know, make sure you got it solid. Push it together. One more. There you go. You've got a little goalpost. If you have any extra pieces, that's okay. As long as you've got a space that you can use your football to fit through. I'm not gonna do this very well at all, but I'll try. So you'll flick it, and you can try to get it through the thing. See, no good. I'll try one more time. Here we go. I'm not even sure. Oh, well, I got a little distance off of that, but it didn't go through the goalposts. I really appreciate you joining me for this Lego tutorial, and we'll see you next time. Thank you, bye.